Don't forget to give a title to your story. A story is never without the title.
Was singing on the road like in every street. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, I miss you dear. Please come home and make me happy. So this was his story, and at last the parents maybe.
Your two friends are there, Tim and Chris. Tim likes to dress up. One day he dressed up very well in his favorite shirt, and he took his pet dog and went to the park, played with his friend Bill with his pet. His pet likes to hop, and his one more friend Chris, he lost his